Hi everyone, how are you doing? My name is Ombanya Kinyi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm here to show you how you can slay your nails in less than 5 minutes and at the comfort of your home. So I bought these nails on Shein. They were $2. They come with a mini file, and get this, we have stickers because we are not going to be using glue today on these fake nails. I mean, that is the only thing I love about it, because then glue kind of just like does a number on my nails, but these are perfect. So I'm just buffing my nails as I get my nails ready for the fake nails. So I feel like this is really nice for people who don't like long nails and you want to slay, So I've sorted my nails for the right and left hand, so it's easy when I start installing them. So I'll just go ahead and show you what I do. Just get the stickers. You peel your stickers. So you have the sticker inside, so just peel one side like so. I don't know how to explain this, just like look closely. So I just get the sticker out, and one side has like glue on it, so that is the side that goes directly to the nail. Make sure you position it well where you're going to position your nail, because the goal here is to make the nail look as natural as possible, So press it down to make sure it sticks, and then peel the sheet on the other side. So this is not easy on some of them, but so once you peel it, you just get your nail and bam. I mean, look at that. Just press on it to make sure it sticks, and look at that. Look at that. So I feel like this is really nice because it's only $2 and you go from 0 to 100. And like, for example, normally I use 70 to $100 for a nail visit. I mean, it's too expensive. So just repeat that on all of your nails. As you can see, make sure that sticks, and then peel the sticker on the other side so you can stick your nail. I hate visiting the nail stores, so this is going to save me like a lot of time, the waiting time, like going all the way, and saves time, saves money, win-win. And it's also good for those people who don't like long nails altogether, so you can just slay and then take them out, or those people whose profession doesn't allow you to have like nails on, so you can just do this, go where you're going, slay, and then come back and take them off. Like it's very easy. I love them. I mean, look at that, guys. Look at it. Look at the shape, and they look good. Maybe you can do a better job than me, but they look good, really good. So I'm going to do the right hand off camera. I know it's going to be hard using my left one, so let's do this. Guys, look at this. I mean, I highly recommend. This is only $2. It took me less than 5 minutes to do this at home. I recommend. And I hope you enjoyed this video, because I really did enjoy these nails. They were really pretty, and I think I'll see you in my next one. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Bye.